What is going on YouTube? The Celtics are winning, the sweet tea's flowing, my fan's on, and I have cards to open. I don't think it could be much better than that. I've been opening it for like 2 hours now. Check out all the videos I've just posted recently. There's been all kinds of good stuff. Whenever I do these like big breaks, it just seems like the hits just keep on coming and coming and coming. I did have one disappointment tonight. Check out my 2017 Elite Fat Packs video. That one, tons of good rookies, but there was something a little fishy about that one. But check that out. Last box is Chronicles Baseball 2017. I absolutely love this stuff. I understand what people say about the base cards and that it being a little bit too busy. I understand. I get it. But 4 hits, a really decent price. You can pull some big stuff out of this too. I pulled a gold vinyl Jacob deGrom to 5. A couple of RPAs that just look on card that look great. Griffey Prism that was super low numbered. This stuff is just all that and then some. So, whew, getting tired. Can't believe it. It's past my bedtime. How do you get tired when you have cards to open? Been a long day though. Been running around. Went from Target to Target looking for Bowman mega boxes and did not find a single one. I didn't even see where these Targets would have even possibly had them put or placed at any time. So back to Chronicles. 5 cards per pack, 12 packs per box. So it's a decent sized little box. Get lots of numbered cards in this. Cabrera, Justin Bohr, a filler. Cano to $9.99. Scott Schebler and Joey Votto. Did I mention the 4 hits, 4 autographs or mem, and 8 numbered cards? Bryce Harper, Matt Carpenter, another filler, which is good. I need to stock up on those. Bumgarner to $9.99. Will Myers and Odor. Ryan Zimmerman, a Marco Hernandez rated rookie. Gray border, Renato Nunez to $1.99. Giancarlo Stanton and Chris Archer. Ben Gamel, Anthony Rizzo, a redemption for Panini Chronicles Spectra Rookie Jersey Autographs Neon Blue. Alex Bregman. That's hilarious. I pulled the same redemption out of another box. Yeah, that's crazy. Well, I guess I'll redeem it again. Adrian Beltre and George Brett. God, that's funny. What are the odds of getting the same redemption twice? Hopefully they're close to filling my first request. They've been a little bit better lately about filling their requests faster. Edwin Encarnacion. An Adrian Beltre. Another gold vinyl. Oh my God, I'm going to sit on it till the end. Wow. Man, I hope that's somebody good. Man, I hope that's not some scrub. For real. Holy crap. Elvis Andrews. Chad Pinder rated rookie. Marcelo Zuna to $3.99. The blue. Cole Calhoun and Ricky Henderson. Max Scherzer, Trey Turner, a Luke Weaver. This may be an auto. It is. $2.99. That's a good looking card. Playoff ticket. We also have Moustakas, and DeGrom. Man, I can't believe I pulled a second gold vinyl out of this. I'm really worried about who it is. Pujols, Cecchini, Senzatella /49. Nice absolute parallel. A-Rod and Chris Sale. That one's kind of thick. I'm going to go ahead and grab the rest of these packs out here. Alright. How many hits do we have? We've got the Weaver and the Redemption. I don't know if the gold vinyl counts as a hit. Probably. McCutcheon, Ripken, Sano. Feels like a jersey card there. Yep. $4.99. D. Gordon, Josh Harrison, Mike Trout, a Young Moncada Prism, Heredia $2.99, the blue version, Cologne and Ryan Braun, Solarte, Ryan Healy Prism rookie, Adam Frazier $1.99, green parallel, Adam Duvall and Corey Seager, Joe Mauer, Javier Baez, a David Dahl, dual relic, gold standard on card auto. Another great box this has been. What in the world? Why do people not love this stuff? Love it. Billy Hamilton and Matt Holliday. And here we go, guys. Here we go. Oh, God dang, I'm nervous. Let me grab these cards behind it first. George Springer, Madison Bumgarner, and our... Which direction? Oh, it says Milwaukee. It can't be anybody that good. Lewis Brinson, rookie. Lewis Brinson. And Adrian Beltre. Lewis Brinson. 2/5. Well, I guess this card is all going to depend on, how well he does. That's all I can say about this one. With DeGrom, you already know what's going on. With Brinson, you just know a little bit so far. So, whew, another just crazy box. The gold vinyl, the playoff autograph, the David Dahl gold standard on card dual relic. Ooh, baby. The Sano relic and the Alex Bregman rookie jersey autograph from, this is going to be from Spectra. Whew. Lord, I feel like I just fought in a fight. I'm tired now. A mental roller coaster, up and down, all around. Had a lot of highs in this break, though. A whole lot of highs. My hot hand continues, and I love it. That's it for tonight, guys. If you watched all these videos, thank you so much for hanging in there. I appreciate you so much. I love how each of these little channels are their own community. And if you're watching and if you subscribe, then I'm very happy that you're part of mine. I feel honored that anybody would take the time to watch my videos and listen to my southern drawl as I open my cards. And if you go to my eBay store and you get in the breaks and all that stuff, then I think that's just great. There's no better hobby in the world, and I'm just thrilled to be a part of it. Hope everybody has a great night. Please take care of yourself and take care of others. Have a great night.